Storms Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Motorola Moto G Pure for Metro by T-Mobile. So the Moto G Pure is now here at Metro by T-Mobile. So this is a new budget phone for Metro by T-Mobile, so that is pretty cool. So yeah, this is what the phone looks like here. This one got announced last week by Motorola. So now it's available now on 2 prepaid carriers, Metro and Verizon prepaid. So the quick specs on the Moto G Pure has 6.5-inch Max Vision HD Plus display, 4,000 mAh battery, 13 megapixel dual camera system. Alright. And the full retail price is $159.99 for the Moto G Pure. So this is a budget smartphone, so do keep that in mind. But if you guys switch to Metro, y'all guys can get the Moto G Pure for free. So that is pretty cool. So not bad to get it for your phone here. Specs in here are decent. Like I said, this is the budget phone. So you do get what you pay for here. So let's go ahead and check out the phone. So there is the Moto G Pure right here. There's a teardrop notch for your front facing camera. Earpiece is on top of that. Power and volume keys on the right side of the phone there. So you got the right side here. Like I said, power and volume keys on the right side of the phone there. Then we take it to the back here. Y'all guys will have dual camera setup. You guys have a 13 megapixel main camera, plus a depth sensor, plus a camera flash. Your fingerprint sensor is right there where the Motorola logo is, so that's very cool. Take it to the left side now. You guys will have your SIM card and micro SD card slot on the left side of the phone there. Take it to the top now. You guys will have a noise cancellation microphone and a headphone jack, which is very nice to see. On the back of the Moto G Pure is another microphone, which is your main microphone here. Type-C charging, so that's nice, and your speaker. So it says here, meet the Motorola G Pure, the phone that gives you more of what you love. The 6.5-inch Max Vision HD Plus display gives you an ultra-wide view of your favorite movies and games. Plus get up to 2 days of battery life, means you can keep the phone going all weekend long, whether you are gaming or sending messages. The Moto G Pure responds instantly to every touch, tap, and swipe, thanks to its octa-core processor. Take beautiful portraits with the 13 megapixel dual camera system in rain or shine with its water repellent design. With the Moto G Pure, the features you love come standard. So it's pretty nice there. So it does have a water repellent coating, so if you guys get a little bit of water on it, you guys are fine. It is not waterproof, guys, so don't submerge your Moto G Pure. Don't submerge it because it's not waterproof. Alright. So like I said before, if you guys switch to Metro, y'all guys can get a free Moto G Pure. So that is pretty cool, not bad for a free phone. Like I said, specs in here are decent. This is a budget phone, so do keep that in mind. So quick features, like I said, 6.5-inch HD Plus Max Vision display. See more, play more, and enjoy more with a 20:9 aspect ratio. 13 megapixel rear dual camera system built for beautiful portraits with a background blur effect. MediaTek G25 processor, ultra responsive, smooth performance, and superior power efficiency. Access at your fingertips or with a glance. Easily unlock your phone with the fingerprint reader located on the rear discreetly beneath the iconic logo, or by simply glancing at the camera. So you guys have face unlock as well as your security options. So pretty nice. Widescreen for the win. Bring your favorite movies, shows, and games to life on an ultra wide screen. The 6.5-inch Max Vision HD Plus display features a 20:9 aspect ratio, so you can see more, play more, and enjoy more. Play more, charge less. The Moto G Pure's 4,000 mAh battery gives you up to 2 days of battery life, so you can work hard or play hard without worrying about recharging. No one likes running out of power, and with rapid charging you can quickly power up to get back to what matters. Take your photos further. Create beautiful portraits with the 13 megapixel dual camera system and background blur effect. Plus, never miss a moment with an autofocus feature that captures your subject in the blink of an eye. So it's pretty cool. Like I said, it has a depth sensor on the rear as well. Also, the Moto G Pure comes with Metro Play. So it says here, get more from your new phone with Metro Play. This phone includes Metro Play, an app offering created content from over 90 of today's most popular channels, all for free. Did y'all guys learn more about that? Device specifications. You have 32 gigabytes of RAM. About 20 gigabytes is available to the user. You do get 3 gigabytes of RAM here, so not too bad, you know. Screen size 6.5 inches full. It's 6.5 inches HD plus Max Vision display, so it's HD plus, not Full HD. It's HD plus, so it's a 720p screen. 13 megapixel dual rear camera system plus a 5 megapixel front facing camera. You also have a 2 megapixel depth sensor on the rear. 512 gigabytes of micro SD card expansion, so take advantage of that. Mobile hotspot. Up to 30 hours of talk time. Android 11. MediaTek Helio G25 octa-core processor. Clock to 2 gigahertz. The Moto G Pure weighs 6.6 ounces. There's your hand and compatibility is there. There are some accessories for the Moto G Pure. You guys can go to Amazon and get your accessories for the Moto G Pure. So they should be there on Amazon by now. So yeah. So there you guys have it. The Moto G Pure is now here at Metro by T-Mobile. So if you guys are looking to get like a backup phone for yourself, a first phone for your kid or whatever, the Moto G Pure is a nice looking phone to check out. Specs on here are decent. Like I said, this is a budget smartphone, so do keep it in mind. It's $159.99 for a retail price at Metro by T-Mobile, but it is free if you guys switch to Metro, so that's pretty cool. So the specs on here are decent, nice looking phone. So yeah, I mean, if you guys are looking to get a backup phone for yourself or first phone for your kid, like I said, the Moto G Pure could be the phone to check out. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.